Kids, do you know cats can make over 100 different sounds, but dogs can only make about 10. Cats are basically the opera singers of the animal world. Elephants can't jump, but they sure know how to stomp in a style. Kids, don't forget to share and subscribe. Love for Kids. Bye.